Elon Musk SpaceX hikes Starlink internet costs over rising inflation.
Yeah,
no one is
unfortunately.
immune. No one's immune to the inflation monster. New customers will now pay $710 up front. No one's immune. Tesla prices went up. Starlink prices went up. Probably your Bronco price went up, even though you signed a contract. They're like, hey, well, we gotta chat. You want it or not? You're like, I want it. Oh, please.
I'll pay double.
I want
They're
it.
like, it's not that much.
I want it.
Yeah.
The kit is going up from $500 to $550 for deposit holders and to $600 for new customers. New Starlink customers will pay $710 up front for Starlink. That's up from $600. Inflation. Do you know what that tune is?
That's very familiar.
Inflation.
But it's not inflation. It's another word, right?
Inflation.
Oh, God.
Inflation.
Oh, man, that's so close.
The Simpsons.
Right.
Is that what you had in mind or no?
Yeah, I knew it was like an opening for something,
it was an opening.
It wasn't really.
Can you scroll up? I just want to give a super chat. And there's a question about Tesla over there.
Oh.
Shout out to TG. It would be nice if Elon starts giving away model smartphones. What? With all the Model Y orders. Model Pi smartphones? Is that what they're saying? They want
Model Pi.
They want Elon to do a smartphone. And there's been rumors about it. There must be some reason why he's not interested. Well, probably the market saturation that already exists, and ecosystems, and I think he's kind of busy. Will, what do you think? You think Elon's a bit busy?
I think so.
Just a touch?
Yeah.
Oh, someone said it sounded like Sega. That's true. Sega. But that's different.
Yeah.
Inflation. Anyway, they thought it was Sega. What was PlayStation? How did PlayStation open up? What was that noise?
PlayStation 1?
How did it open up? What was the sound on the initial?
Oh, I know exactly what it is, but I can't sound it off
like,
for you.
Is it like brown?
What the?
Is that what it is?
No, it was like a lot of like crystal sounds.
Yeah, but that's after. That's at the end. Play it. You know, I don't think there's copyright on that. Just to go PlayStation boot up sound.
Oh, yeah, here we go.
Yeah, see?
Oh, you're
right. Damn, you're ready for a good time after you hear that.
Yeah.
Can you give me one more of those, please? Oh, that's an older one? This is the one I was thinking right here. Oh. How many? I mean, that is deep nostalgia right there for anyone who's ever heard that before. PlayStation. Wow, let's go.
That's fun to be had.
That's PS1, man. That's PS1. You had one of those?
No, I didn't. I had the N64.
Okay, give me the N64 boot up. Give me the N64 boot up real quick. We just need this fuel to the fire right now. We can't leave anybody out. N63, N631. It's the lesser known USA version. Yeah. Here we go. What?
No, that's not it.
What? That sounds a lot like PlayStation. That was it.
USA version.
I have no recollection of that.
Yeah, me neither.
You want to try the Japanese one?
Where is it?
Right there. Oh, look at that video underneath there. Relaxing video game music in a cozy room, Nintendo 64.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, 2.2 millis. Give me like 10 seconds of that. Just give me 10 seconds. Yeah, that's the sound. That was.
Oh, Nintendo.
Wow.
That's nostalgia.
Relaxing Nintendo 64 video game music in a cozy room to help you study and inject your brain with nostalgia. Wow. The stuff that's out there, Will.
Sony did it right. They have a really good sound.
Did you want to throw Xbox in there, the original Xbox? Is that interesting at all?
Sure. Xbox boot up.
Yeah, it will be... yeah, here we go.
Wow.
They're all kind of the same. That one at the very end was like, "Bee-doo-doo-doo."
I like that part.
At the end there?
Yeah.
That
Not
kind
the
of
booming.
redeemed it a little bit for
loud.
you. A
Yeah.
PlayStation still crushed on that.
They had a nice bass.
Can you hit us with a Sega real quick since we've done all of them?
Okay, fine.
You might as well. Oh, baby. Look at this. I had a Dreamcast too.
Oh, Dreamcast. Okay.
I think you need a top one. This might be the best one. Not that one. Maybe this one. Sega! Damn!
Yeah, that was pretty good.
Sega! 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 Man, they hired a band for that. Sega!
What was it? 8-bit?
Can you give me one more of those? Sega! Sega! Wow. Sega!
Okay.
Sega!
Yeah.
Sega. Sega. It's kind of sad, man.
Sad. Oh.
Well,
What do
there's
you
no
mean?
Sega anymore. I was into it.
The Sonic the
Get
Hedgehog
out of
2.
here. It's barely hanging in
coming
there.
out.
They had a real competitor, man. They had stuff. You know how badly I wanted a Sega CD when I was a child? That was the first disc-based gaming system, and you attached it to like a regular, and it was, I don't know if it was 16-bit or something, but it was like, whoa.
The Genesis
I don't
with
know.
the color.
I don't remember. I liked their whole motif. It was really interesting.
Yeah.
But it was definitely, in my childhood, the lesser of the two compared to Super Nintendo. Yo, give me a quick Super Nintendo real quick. But just before we get to this story, it's the last one, I promise.
Okay.
I promise everybody. I apologize, everything in advance. But we just need a Super Nintendo real quick for those that needed it. We can't be the only ones that needed this right now. Well, it's tough out there in the world. Oh,
Uh-oh.
my God.
That is copyright. We're going to get killed by Nintendo.
No way.
Yeah. They're very
No, it's too short.
insane about
It's way too short, dude. There's no way. Play it one more time. That sounds like Yoshi to me. Dun, dun, dun,
That's
dun.
Super Mario
Yeah,
World.
it sounds like Yoshi right now.
Well, I like that sound.
Wow. Okay. All right. We're good.
You got it?
Yeah, we're good. We got it. We got
Are
it.
you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, we got it, man.
My goodness.
People can tell me now in the comments which is the best of all the ones we demoed there, or maybe we missed one that's actually the best. But I think that PlayStation 1 is hard to beat.
Yeah. That's a great tune.